Hello everyone, welcome back to the shop. I had the ultimate privilege to be contacted by both Netflix and Wonderstorm in regards of their show Dragon Prince to hand forge King Ezran's crown. So unbeknownst to them, Dragon Prince is actually a huge favorite of mine. I treat it, I'm gonna age myself a little bit, but I treat it like my Saturday morning cartoons. It's just so quaint, it's got great moral values. I love it. And when they reached out to me to build things for them, I just about lost my mind. So I couldn't accept fast enough. If you haven't seen it, let me give you like a little bit of a non-spoilery, just kind of jumpstart right into it. You guys know how much I love D&D. It's very D&D-esque. You have a kind of a human realm, and then you have a magical realm where mysterious elves and wild beasts roam. Now the two kingdoms, the one of magic and the one of human, Zadia and Catalyst, they're stuck in a loop of hate and unforgiveness. And it's a story about the worlds kind of clashing together. You have these two princes that are amazing. They come from, we got half brothers going on and, mixed families, and that's very complicated. And I love just how much just mutual admiration they have for each other. They don't let that affect their relationship at all. And I love that. Growing up with half brother myself, we've never really let that challenge us whatsoever. Honestly, I feel like it more so strengthened us. So if you're new to this show, you probably have a little bit of catching up to do, but it's very binge-worthy. It's absolutely delightful. The animation's beautiful. You're gonna love it. Now, they're about to start off season 4. Things are about to change a lot, and now you're about to see King Ezran take his throne and receive the mantle of his crown. So the rumors are we're gonna kind of time jump 2 years in the future. So I'm very excited to see the growth and development of these characters, coming from kids into adolescence. It's been amazing to watch the character development, especially Ezran. For a kid that was forced to grow up far too fast, I'm very excited to see where his leadership is going to take Catalyst in the new path that he's forging of forgiveness, empathy, and fairness. He seems like he's gonna be a just ruler. So to me, this piece kind of captures a lot in what we should have in a leader. Ezran's father, his crown is depicting the uneven towers of Catalyst. And it's a really beautiful motif. It's very asymmetrical, and I really like it. But King Harrow's crown is eventually destroyed. So a new one must be forged in its place. you guys know that I have my shop dogs, and there's just something about being attuned to another creature. And Ezran's relationship with Bait's his kind of glow toad, and he's hysterical. He doesn't do a whole lot, but what he does do, he means with a lot of purpose. In between his flashes, color changes, and all these things, and his definitely a love for pastries. I relate to so much with my affiliation with my animals myself. And actually, fun fact, my profile picture for Netflix is actually Bait. So, the uneven towers of Catullus, depicted here on the primary motif of the crown. I love it. It's a fantastic motif. The art designers of the show really got onto something. It was a very fun challenge for myself to build something relatively simplistic. I like to just coat everything with curves and scrolls and filigree. But yeah, clean edges. Them and I are not best friends, but I don't know, I feel like I came to terms with it, because it was maybe already designed and I wasn't judging myself in my designs. But I want to put it on, but I'm not king. But yeah, it's a beautiful crown, and I was very excited to build it. I hope you all enjoy the new season of Dragon Prince as much as I know I will. And as always, my friends, thank you for watching.